I was even forced to join the plane without any valid visa coming here.
Sir, can we expound lang when you said that there is no President Duterte inside?
They're
Sir.
telling me that there is no Vigo R. Duterte inside this facility.
You,
But they,
you requested for a visit today and it was approved, sir, right?
we have requested the ICC for a visit because they do not disclose what hospital he was brought to, and we assume that he was brought here last night after the training. That's all I can say as of the moment.
Is it possible he is in a hospital somewhere?
I hope he is in a hospital somewhere, but not in this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC regulations, any detainee is allowed to communicate. Has he communicated to any of
None.
Zero, sir?
We don't have any opportunity. We don't know where he is right now.
Oh.
He doesn't even have his medicines with him.
Pero doon po siya sa ambulance sumakay.
Sinakay siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records sa kanya, and sabi he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital. But hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next step? What are the plans?
We are going back to the ICC and ask them where he is right now. Because a family member is waiting here to see him.
Yes. How is the Vice President?
She's waiting.
Okay.
And I would assume the president would want to see one of the members of this
Yes.
family destroyed.
Sec, the Vice President wants to see him. Is there a schedule for...
That's what we are arranging, but we are at a loss where he is right now.
Okay. So, how about you, sir? Alis muna pa ba kayo?
Alis ako dito. Hindi na, pinapalabas nga kami.
Oh. Oh my God.
Anong gusto nila gawin? Standby ako dito, yung lamig-lamig.
Ano po yung response nila sa inyo nung nag-request po kayo for a visit?
Wala. Ayan. Wala daw, request for a visit dito.
Oo.
Wala daw dito. Walang preso by the name of President.
Okay, sir. Hindi yan po kasi nandun sa Pero sir, the embassy said that you're allowed a visit. Ano kayang pinagmumulan nun?
Hindi. Ano yan? Right ng accused yan.
Opo.
To be by counsel.
May schedule sila Thursday, so parang definite.
I don't know with them, but ako, as far as my understanding of the law is, he has the right to counsel anytime.
And you're acting as an official.
One of the counsel, and they don't even recognize my appearance here.
Nasa na po si VP Sara sa ngayon?
So, she's like,
Hindi pa po kayo nagkita.
nag-usap na kami sa telepono, pero wala pang until. So,
Alright.
tapos na.
Okay.
Okay, thank you po.